Hello everyone and welcome to this SQL course. In this course, we'll be going through the essential SQL commands that you need to know as a data analyst. This course is suitable for beginners and it does not require any installation. And I hope this course will help you learn SQL and become data analyst. Well, why should I have to learn SQL? And what does actually SQL is? Well, it's a nice question. So what is SQL? Actually, SQL is a powerful language that allows you to query and manipulate data stored in database. It is used by data analysts, data scientists, and other professionals who need to work with data. And why you need to learn SQL? Well, learning SQL is the ability to work with data in a powerful and efficient way. You will be able to access and analyze data that would otherwise be inaccessible. You will also be able to build data-driven applications that can help you make a better decisions. And I think now you are ready and very much clear why you should have to learn SQL and what you will learn in this tutorial series. Well, in this series, you will learn how to use select clause, how to use min and max clause, how to use from clause, group clause, having and order by and limit clause. And learning these clauses will give you the ability to query data from database in a powerful and efficient way. You will be able to retrieve data that you need, filter it to get the result that you want, and sort it to make it better. After completing this series, you will be well equipped to use select, min-max, from, group by, having, order by, and limit clause to query data from database. Well, for this tutorials, we are going to use the online SQL editor named SQL Fiddle. So here is the simple interface of SQL Fiddle. As you can see that we have two panels here. On the left panel, we create our tables, and on the right panel, we write the queries to select columns from that table. And on the above, you can see that we have different SQL versions where we can select from, but for this tutorial, we are using MySQL 5.6. And then we will have some panels here, and here you can see that I have just built one table here of customer, which I am going to use throughout this tutorial series to get you understand the concepts. So here you can see that I have created a customer table. You also have to create one customer tables for your SQL Fiddle so you can follow along me. So I have created few columns here: customer ID, first name, last name, age, country, email, is member, card type, total spent, and credits. So that's our basic customer table that we have created, and we have also inserted some record into this table. As you can see that we have inserted some record into this table. So after creating a table and inserting some record, when you click on a build schema button, it will build a schema. Here you can see that schema is ready. Now if we click on this browse button, it will show us that our table has been created by the name of customer. If we click on it, you will see that all the columns that has been created. So to get back onto the editing section, we can simply click on DD editor. It will take us back to that particular section. So in the next video, I will show you how to select these columns using select clause and how we will query the database. So that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.